In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in Freshsales. Workflows help you automate routine work in your CRM so your team can stay consistent and save time. You can use them to update fields automatically, send follow-up emails, create tasks for your team, or even trigger a webhook to connect with other tools. To begin, open Freshsales and look at the left sidebar. Click the Admin Settings icon, which looks like a gear. Inside Admin Settings, find and select Manage Workflows. Depending on your account layout, this may appear under sections like Teams and Territories or Automations. Once you are on the Workflows area, you are ready to create a new one. Next, click the Create Workflow button. This opens the Workflow Setup screen where you will define what the automation is for and when it should run. Start by giving your workflow a clear, descriptive name. Use something that tells you what it does at a glance, especially if you plan to build several workflows over time. Then choose the module the workflow should run on. This is where the automation will apply, such as contacts, accounts, or deals. Pick the module that matches the records you want to automate. Now set the trigger. This controls when the workflow starts. You can choose to run it when a record is created, when a record is updated, or based on a specific date and time. Choose the option that best fits the moment you need the automation to fire, and keep in mind that update-based triggers are useful when you want actions to happen after a field changes. After that, add conditions. Click Add Condition to define which records should be affected. For example, you might target records where a lead stage equals new. If you need more precision, you can combine multiple rules and use AND or OR logic to group them. This is important because conditions keep your workflow from running on records that do not match your intended scenario. Once your conditions are set, add actions. Choose what should happen when those conditions are met. Common actions include updating a field, sending an email, adding a task, or triggering a webhook. Select the action, then complete any required details so Freshsales knows exactly what to do. Finally, review your trigger, conditions, and actions to confirm everything is correct. When you are satisfied, click Enable to make the workflow live. That covers everything you need to know.